In this section, we're going to work with three different AI coding assistants: Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot. You might be wondering why I'm teaching all three in a single section rather than giving each one a dedicated module. Here's why. Despite the fact that these tools look and feel different from each other, different UIs, different pricing, different levels of IDE integration, the technique that produces high quality tests with all three is essentially the same. It's a three-step pattern that I call context prime, generate, refine. Once you understand it, you can apply it in any assistant. When your team switches from Copilot to Cursor or from Cursor to Claude Code, your skill doesn't go away. You just apply the same pattern in a new interface. The three steps are context priming, inline generation, and check refinement. Context priming is the step most developers skip, and it's also the one that has the biggest impact on output quality. Before you ask the AI to generate tests, you give it everything it needs to understand the code, the function being tested, its type signatures, and any related dependencies, and the testing framework you're going to use. The AI can only generate tests as good as the context it has. Better context equals better tests. Inline generation is the step you're probably already familiar with. You trigger the assistant either through a keyboard shortcut, a command, or a chat prompt, and it produces an initial test suite. This first draft is the starting point, not the finished product. Check refinement is where the quality improves. You review the initial test suite, identify what's missing or wrong, and use follow-up prompts to iterate. Add an edge case, tighten an assertion, switch from one assertion style to another. The AI's output improves substantially through this dialogue. In the next three lectures, you'll see the same pattern applied in Claude Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot. Pick the lecture for the tool you use and follow along. The concepts transfer directly.